Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a logo for photography brand or team. So, further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to File and select New. Here make a new page of any size. Click OK. After that, go to Text option. Select black color. Select fancy signature font. And type something, I'll type J. Now disable the text layer. Select Ellipse tool. Hold Shift key on keyboard and draw a circle. Here change the fill color to transparent and then the stroke color to black. Reduce the thickness value of stroke. After that, go and select the Path Selection tool. Now go to Path, and double-click the Ellipse 1 selection path, click OK. Select Text tool, and click on the top of the circle. Now you can type along the circle. Reduce the text size. Let me put value 14. Now select the font named A Love of Thunder. Type your name here. Now select Path 1 layer and adjust the positioning of the text along the circle. Once you have done it, again double-click on the Ellipse 1 layer, and click OK. Now click on the bottom of the circle. Type photography. Now select the Direct Selection tool. Drag it a little bit, which will invert the text. Go and select back the Path Selection tool. Adjust the bottom text along with circle as I am doing. Now go back to Layers. Oh sorry. Select the JText layer and press or Command Ctrl+T and adjust the size until it looks great. After that, right click on the ellipse layer and then select delete layer, or just simply press delete key. Select the bottom layer. Go to File and then Place. Here pick a background image. Hold Shift and Alt key and adjust the size. Now go and add solid color. Here select blackish gray color. Now select the all text layers by holding Ctrl key. And press Ctrl+G to make a group of it. Rename it logo. Open the group and select the 3 layers by holding Ctrl key. From here change its color from black to any color you want. After that, select the solid color layer and reduce its opacity. Double-click on the group layer. Select Bevel and Emboss. Make it value 70. And click OK. Disable all the 3 layers at bottom. And save the logo in PNG format for further use. Now open a new image. Go to File and Place, and then select your logo that you saved before. That's all. We did it. The photos and fonts used in this video are in the description below. If this video was helpful, give it a like. For any doubt, comment below and subscribe for more Photoshop related videos. Peace.